สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. In the previous episode, we covered the AIEI background and the real use case in the area of smart cities, environment, and healthcare. In this episode, we will focus on the AI for sustainable and resilient city. We are honored to meet with อาจารย์อู Professor Dr. วนิดา แก่นอากาศ the Associate Director of AIEI and Vice Dean for Research, Innovation and International Affairs at Faculty of Engineering, ขอนแก่น University, one of the members of AIEI. สวัสดีค่ะอาจารย์อู
สวัสดีค่ะ
Welcome to OPEN-TEC program under OPEN-TEC Technology Sharing Platform powered by TCC Technology Group ค่ะค่ะอาจารย์ Are you ready?
Yes, I always ready.
Okay, great. Let's start with the benefit of ขอนแก่น University as the member of AIEI.
I have to thank the Ministry of Higher Education that very focusing on AI strategy for Thailand, and then benefit policy could introduce us, knowing together of 6 universities, and we are luckily that Khon Kaen University is part of it. I'm so thankful for adding an inclusive Khon Kaen University as part of the member of AIEI.
How is the AI technology transforming the world and shaping the future of smart cities?
Okay. First of all, I would like to introduce KKU Smart City first. Since 2018, the former Prime Minister Prayut visit our university, and he was impressed of the smart campus, and that's for he gave us the opportunity to try to enhance the smart campus to the town, especially Khon Kaen, and also to the Isan region. So the word, smart city come to us since 2018, and then later on the technology AI is coming up, and I'm so happy because at that time, Ajahn Eve Bannarat, she also successfully implemented smart city at Phuket province, and we learned a lot from her, and she was helping us to move from normal smart campus into smart city. So I have to thank the lesson learned from Phuket, and that's experience from 2018. After we try to enhance whatever we have in the campus to the town and make the town province much better. At that time, COVID-19 came 2019. And later on, we also have the big budget from the Minister of Higher Education to have AI infrastructure. We also one of the networks that got that opportunity to have the budget to have AI infrastructure. And after that, we use the AI technology to help COVID-19 into the AI for smart health for our Sinakarin Hospital. And as you know that in the Northeast region, we have like 20 provinces, and most of us, don't have much income. So lots of people in Isan always come to Sinakarin because we have a good medical school. But during COVID pandemic, AI help a lot. From AI infrastructure that we got the budget for. We can develop and innovate lots of application helping the medical physicians to contactless. So during 2019 and until 2020, lots of AI innovation application. Maybe you can refer to my work in the KKU outreach to see what we have done.
Okay.
And I think when we say smart city, it's not just making the people living, smart. AI for healthcare is also part of smart city. So during pandemic, we living, difficulty, but AI could help us, to be safe and to live in the town, happily. And since post-pandemic, 2019, we still keep going to utilize the AI. And if I would like to introduce you resilient and sustainability city that we're looking for, because the city could not be just smart, knowing what to grab the benefit of technology, but we have to make sure that we can live and last for long, sustainable with the resources that we have. I think AI could help us. We also using AI to innovate in how we could utilize the power, energy, by using the biomass. We also focusing on that, and also how we can manage waste. So all of my application and my researcher team also expanding the work into smart waste, and also trying to utilize the energy more efficiency. So when you say what the term AI smart city and AI in Khon Kaen University, we did a lot. Because in smart city we have like smart living, smart energy, smart agriculture, smart people. We try to utilize what we have. Yes.
That's interesting. Ajahn U, can you elaborate more about some inspiring success case that highlight how AI revolutionized technology and ignited the development of the cities?
Yes. Thank you for a very good key question. Once we did something successful for our city, Khon Kaen, what could be done to expand the success story? And again, I would refer to 2019 because I found, during pandemic, we live in so difficulty, and the technology come into the right time, and we try to implement the AI for our medical school, for Srinacarin Hospital. And because of AIEI is 6 university. So from the knowledge of my researcher team, maybe not enough. Then we're looking for some kind of, working intra-university. And we luckily that we got involved with Mahidol University, Ajahn Pat. He also worked closely with medical doctor in Rama Hospital and also Sirirat Hospital. Yeah. And then we got a funding from Ministry of Higher Education again to try to work together 3 university hospital, Srinacarin Hospital, Sirirat Hospital, and also Rama Hospital. We use the AI federated learning, which means this technology can focusing on each hospital to learn the patient's X-ray imaging, and also we are in Isan. Even though we say we Thai, but the anatomy of the Isan people may not different from the Bangkok people because patient data is privacy protected. The AI federated technology can help to protect by using the machine learning for each hospital, and then we use the engine of AI federated to share the knowledge. And I think this would be the success case that I would recommend that AI itself can do the benefit for your own organization. But once if you can expand and working into collaboration, it would enhance the benefits of AI. Yeah, and I think AI federated between 3 hospitals would be the best. Maybe at the beginning of the project, and also we're looking for some kind more project to do something like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's the power of collaboration.
Yes. Yes.
Any other project that you'd like to mention?
I forgot something. This morning, Professor Supan mentioned about พอใจ app.
Yes.
Actually, initiated by CMKL, อาจารย์กบ and อาจารย์อัคริต the head of the project. And they're looking for the local knowledge. Isan, we have lots of dialects.
Yes.
Yeah. So if Ajahn Akarit and also Ajahn Gop trying to do like local Thai translation for e-commerce, but they only have Bangkok language, right? So AIEI help that because we are together. We are not CMKL, we're not Khon Kaen University, but we are AIEI. We sharing the same inspiration, even though we live in our university, but because we belong to AIEI Institute, whatever our friends are looking for help, we then gathering all our local dialects and help our friends to make the project พอใจ app successfully. So I think working together, I don't know, lots of people would say if you like to go fast,
go alone.
You go alone. But if you go for longer, you have to have friends, and that word is really do for us. Yeah.
Oh, then that's why we go together, right?
Yes. With AIEI.
Oh, that's great. So you also have other projects, right?
Yeah. I do forget when you mentioned about elaborate, the work expanding the benefits, not just locally in Thailand. We work together with AIEI. We're also working with international partner. I'm lucky that I proposed the project about the plastic management, waste management. Again, COVID-19. During COVID-19, we live with the plastic because we order food, packaging, and I found that it significantly affect our life, not today, not tomorrow, but maybe 10 years. Our kids will live with plastic waste. So therefore, I think, plastic. Even though a cup of coffee, if you bought from company A and another one company B, and if you turn down the cup, it would say, okay, this plastic is type 1, this type 2, and it's so similar. So I'm a computer man. I don't know whether what the difference between the plastic. I thought, this type of plastic would be recycled, but actually no. The answer is no. We have 7 types of plastic, and how could we know? I mean, So therefore, this project, we work together with KAIST, Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Friends. We got a Professor Kang who already did the plastic waste management in Korea successfully. This country, they're really focusing on clean and green. Living, because the South Korea, they have a really tiny area for people living. So therefore, they try to make the land, would be clean for lots of people who live in. We are lucky that in Thailand, we have a huge area of lands to live. But South Korea, they have limited area for people. And how could I know KAIST? And I have to thank, because like I said, I'm trying to make my province, Khon Kaen, to become successful like smart city. But we also help, just like Ajahn Eve, helping Phuket and transform Phuket to Khon Kaen. I also helping some Khon Kaen knowledge to Chulalongkorn University. I'm lucky that I know Professor Sutha, who's the director of HSM, Hasadat, waste management. He's the one who introduced our friends, Korean Professor Kang, to telling us and sharing the best success in Korean in how to manage the waste management. So therefore, I introduced the AI because I'm a computer man. I use AI to automatically, detect which one is which. It could do for us. And that would help to classify the type of plastic, which one would be able to recycling, and then we don't have to waste, to dump it in the land. I just know that, because I'm a computer man, I'm not environmental man. I found that from this research, the key finding is that if you dump the plastic inside, it could later on turn into microplastic. And the microplastic could dissolve into the soil, into the liver, and then the fish eat the microplastic. And after that, you eat fish. Then it's got inside your body. And microplastic not just into the soil, into the river, but it's also, evaporate in the air. And then the air that we breathe is also microplastic. And later on, your life is full of plastic. So AI could help to make sure the plastic has been managed well. Which one should go for dump? Which one should go for recycle? Which one should go for oil? We can get some energy, bioenergy from plastic. That's the success case that we work together with international, collaboration with South Korea. During COVID-19 pandemic, it can tell that technology AI can help us living just like normal. If we don't have AI technology, we might, living in the life it is struggling. We might be more risk with a pandemic. We might get sick more easily. But the AI can help my medical doctor friends to have like Mo Bunmi, a robot, a tiny robot. A medical doctor who would like to find the technology can help them, because skin doctor, they have to touch the patient. So, but Bunmi doctor is a tiny, cute robot. We did the AI knowledge of the medical doctor inside the robot, and the robot can help the patient to detect the skin test without touching, and then will be safe for medical doctor.
So Mo Bunmi just is the one who touched the patient?
Without touching, because of the vision AI. The patient just use their skin and test by themselves. And in the skin doctor, they have like more than 600 patients a day. And this Mo Bunmi can help to detect which more severe, rather than everybody come to a medical doctor. So it can help screening which one would be more severe and would be more normal, right? And what else? Nurse bot. During COVID-19, we have one incident in the kindergarten school. One kid, got COVID-19 and suddenly affect 200 kids. And how can medical doctor managing lots of kids, 200, kids at once? And we try not to let them contact with the disease. And then we did the nurse bot to help to go to patient's bed and let them monitoring their own health, like temperature, diabetes, and everything. And then the medical doctor can remote and see what's going on without touching the patients. So we did with the AI because we use a robot to wandering around the bed inside the hospital. Yeah. What else? Like emergency, smart glasses. The emergency medical doctor, before we have introduced this technology, when some accident happened in the road, for example, they might say, that accident got like 20 patients injury. And then at that scene of accident, they call the medical doctor. And then before the ambulance come to the hospital, the medical doctor have to prepare the stuff ready for someone who injured, someone who just tiny hurts. But smart glass, you can real time detect and see what's going on in that scene.
In that side.
Yeah, and information at that accident site can directly to the hospital. Then we get ready more quickly. Yeah. So AI can help. Yeah.
Doctor can prepare in advance.
Yeah, much more faster. Yeah. That's also one of the application that AI could help. Yeah.
Okay.
One AI application maybe more unique in Isan area. Isan area we have som tam pala is really yummy. And
so like papaya salad.
Papaya salad หรือส้มตำปลาร้านะคะ If other area of Thailand would be like normal ส้มตำ right? But in Isan area we have lots of fermented fish.
Yes.
And some ส้มตำwith ปลาร้า they might not cook well. And inside the fish we have a parasite. Yeah, and actually we have more than 20 species of parasite inside the ปลาร้า. When you eat, you don't know whether it's cooked or it's not cooked. And then that parasite live inside your body. It won't hurt you until more than 20 years. And then you got cancer. And that's what's happening in Isan area. Most of our Isan people got liver fluke cancer. Actually, we have an expert who see the microscope of the parasite.
Yes.
The medical doctor can say, this one is which type. And this type is dangerous. You have to treat it well. But because we shorted off this kind of expert.
Yes.
How can we have this, like an expert medical doctor who very good at classify which one is which. Then the knowledge of her, we transform into AI application using the microphone. We just snap the picture and send to the line, and the line can return which one is which. So then we can have just like her, but inside the mobile app. Yeah, and then it could help some rural area who doesn't have this technology. Before we introduce this tool, in the rural area of the hospital, they have to send the sample to Sidekirin Hospital, and we still, lots of, sample to classify. But this one could introduce and help at the rural hospital.
Make it
using,
faster, right?
Yeah, much faster and more accurate. Yeah. Apart from AI for healthcare, we also introduce into agriculture. In Isan area, we plant sugarcane. Most of the 60% of sugarcane production is in Isan area. The reason why we planted here because sugarcane can grow much easier compared to the other area of Thailand because we are drought. The more we drought, the more sweetness of the sugarcane. I just know that. Yeah. And the sugarcane farmer would like to know how quick or fast of the growth of sugarcane, but the area of the sugarcane is so huge.
Yes.
You cannot see, from this direction. So we're looking for some kind of if you are on the top and you can see the whole thing. So we also we have drone. Okay,
Yeah.
drone will fly over the sugarcane field. We have lots of green, and we don't know which one is going to be ready for sugarcane, harvesting.
Yes.
But because of AI technology, we can do like NVI, index detection. Yeah, much quicker because of the color of the greenness of the leaf.
Yes.
Yeah, and that application will help in sugarcane farmer. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you use AI a lot in many areas, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Not just me, because all the project is done by our researcher team in Smart City.
Uh-huh. Okay. อาจารย์อูคะ any impressive project that your student at KKU undertake?
As I mentioned earlier, all of these applications done by our students. You might be okay. Maybe you outsourcing for professional company to do it. Most of the work done by our student work together with our medical doctor, our farmers. Yeah. So all of these application done by our student, which they learn from the class and they got the problem. We can call it problem based project. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And what valuable lessons that you may learn from using AI to drive the cities?
Okay. When people say smart city, people might imagine of the city with lots of technology. And how could we have lots of technology? You must have lots of money. I think Khon Kaen University Smart City and Khon Kaen Smart City, we are a success because of we have a smart people. We don't have much money, but how can I say smart people? Which means we have a good friends. As I mentioned earlier, we got a lesson learned from Phuket from Ajahn Eve and Ajahn Nui who come to share the knowledge.
Yes.
And I think that's the key success. If the Thai people, we help each other. We don't have to fight. We have to make our country more stronger. And AIEI is also part of the networks that when you need some help, some work you might be good at it, you share with your friends. Then your friend doesn't start from zero. Your friends can move on and sharing the knowledge, best practice. I think that's the key. And we share resource.
Yes.
So if our friends would need some help from just like Project App, we share the knowledge that we have and federated learning. We work together as a team.
Yes.
And South Korea experience that when our friends knowing what's going on in their country, they share, and then we don't have to start from zero. I think smart city in my point of view is we start from smart people, which means if we know how we could use the right technology, how we could utilize the benefit of networks, and ask for help. And if you are good at it and you learn from it, you share with your friends. That would be the key success for our story.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So, we can learn from each other, right?
Yes,
And share what we have and learn from them.
And I have to thank TCC inviting me because from our talk today might inspire some other people. So if you have some good benefit or best practice, you can come and work with us more, or whatever we share today. And if you find is benefit, and then I'm so happy to share and help you to develop. Yeah. Okay.
So they can contact you and
Yes.
consult you
Yes,
also,
please.
right?
Yes, I'm so happy. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so
Thank you,
much. ค่ะอาจารย์โอคะ What the exciting future advancement do you foresee where AI transform our cities into model of sustainability and resilience?
Okay. For my insight of AI technology would be benefit to smart city development. I would admit that AI is developing so fast. I must admit that this technology, lots of Thai people not knowing yet. We need to introduce the AI to our people, not just awareness, and know the benefit of AI. And then I'm sure once everybody in the town or in the province know what AI could do good for them, then they can use the right technology. And you might have heard lots of bad news and scammer and fraud, lots of people using in the wrong way. I think smart city would be smart if we have a smart people. If our people knowing smart enough to know which technology could do, and in the future, I'm sure the AI would be just like COVID-19. At the beginning, we might got not used to it, but now we get used to the way we live with COVID. Social distancing, what it's going to be, learning from the Zoom, what's going to be. But now we are get used to it. Yes. And again, AI might be the buzzword at the beginning because lots of people not knowing. But the AI itself could be utilized and be benefit to our daily life, and only if we know the right tools. Yeah, and I'm sure. It's going to be AI norm. Everybody's going to use it as just normal things. Yeah, and our city would be, sustainable and resilient. Whatever is happening,
yes.
We might have more pandemic. We might have more, political, distribution, or we might have war. Whatever. I think it's at the end, if the town have a smart people, then we can have the right solution. What's going to be next. I think it's the key.
Yeah, so we can handle it smoothly, right?
Yes. Okay.
So you don't think that AI is just a hype, right?
Nope.
No.
Lots of people ask me, is it gonna last for 1 or 2 years? Buzzword only? No. Actually, I did the research in AI since 1997. It's such a long time, sorry. Yeah. At that time, when I came back from my graduate, PhD graduate, when I say mentioned, I did the research in AI. Nobody knowing it. It's not new for Europe and America, but in Thailand, not many people knowing it. But now everybody seem like, okay, AI is around the corner. It's gonna be not just the buzzword. It's gonna be a norm. This is what I believe, and it's gonna help us to develop the city to be much more smart if we use it in the right way.
Okay, so this is the last question. As we wrap up, what message about future of AI or AIEI that you would like to leave for our audience?
First, I have to thank our friends in AIEI networks, another 5 universities that we work together. We fight together for, I think, more than 3 years. And today we are so happy that we have new friends, more 3 universities involved. And I'm looking for more partners and more collaboration. Even though 3 years ago we just 6 of us, and today we have 9 of us, we're looking for more of collaboration because Thai people, we are smart. If we work together, we could, bring our country more smart. I think AI catalyze the people like us, merging together because we like to utilize the benefit of it. So please, if you're interested in working with us, please contact Ajahn Akarit, our director of AIEI.
Oh, that's good. So today, AIEI is not just 6 members. AIEI today we have like 9 members, right? What another 3, the new one.
We are so happy today. AIEI expanding our networks from 6 to 9, and the new members are Chulalongkorn University. The second one would be OPEN-TEC, and the last one would be Kim Wongput University of Technology Thonburi.
Oh, okay, great. Today you have like 9 members in AIEI.
Yes,
right?
and we are looking for more.
Oh, you are looking for more. How many more that you expect?
The whole country.
Do you limit only the university in our country?
No, actually, just like I work with Kais, from South Korea, and we are luckily our partnership, CMKL, we have like CMU. And Mahidol might have more, international university, outside the country. Maybe Pinsong, or Chiang Mai. We're looking for international collaboration.
For the audience also who are interested in learning more about this institute, and its program, you may visit cmkr.ac.th/AIEI. Thank you อาจารย์อู๋
ค่ะ
นะคะ
ขอบคุณ
and
ค่ะ
also
CCC
thank
คุ
you
ณส้ม
our
ค่ะ
audience
ค่ะ
ค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ค่ะ This has been AIEI สวัสดีค่ะ
ค่ะ